So how to get into the mind of your customers? Hey, so if you're watching this video, I will be sharing with you the exact psychological tricks and actually methods that you can apply if you want to make sales online as an affiliate. No matter what you're promoting, it can be high ticket offers, low ticket, mid ticket, right? Or using any affiliate network like ClickBank, MaxWeb, doesn't matter, right? It always comes down to psychology applied in your ad copy, in your headline, and also on your pre-sale page. Because what is the main purpose of your website or your blog or your, let's say, what you call it, like pre-sale page? The main reason to have a pre-sale page is to put your customer, the visitor, right, that clicks over from your, let's say, Facebook ad or Google ad over to your landing page. The main reason is to convert them into the buyer, right? To set their mind correctly, right? So that they are in the state of a buyer, right? From someone who was cold, right? Searching or scrolling through their Facebook feed, right? They were scrolling to their feed as in the mindset of a person who is social, to suddenly becoming curious enough, right? And remember this word, curious enough, right? You can use curiosity as a way to get attention so that the person will click on your ad, and from the ad they will go straight to your website or landing page, right? And if you structure your page correctly, if your landing page is structured correctly, right, categorically, have positioning, authority, all these things, basically main fundamentals set up correctly, then at the end the same person looking and scrolling through your page will decide to, yes, buy your product now. So what are those psychological hacks? Let me show you the first one. So the one thing that I call it's instant empathy. What is that? It's by actually describing your prospect, right? Let's say we have a prospect in a weight loss space, weight loss niche for females over 45 years old. So there are always two desires. It's a surface desire, right? Above desire, and core desire, which is real deep desire, which is the desire they're not telling, right? So for these kind of things, you need to do some kind of 5-minute, what I call it, research. So how we do it? The first thing is, for example, surface desire, right? The surface desire could be like the desire to look better, to lose weight, right? To feel better. Those are surface desires. So what are the core desires? Now, if you would ever do some kind of research in the female market space, right, especially for females above 40 and 45 years old, you would quickly find out, basically, that the core desire, right, for the females in relationships who are married, right, it's to lose weight. And yes, of course, to look better or to be healthy, right? But the main core desire, the deep desires, are, for example, so that, let's say, in the relationship space, right? Especially, it's about the females not getting cheated on by their partner. So there are those core desires, right? The desires they are not willing to tell out. Could it be because of shame? Could it be because of disappointment? Right? Many different emotional concepts are connected here. So if you understand that, you can apply this in your ad copy and in your landing pages, right? So another thing you have to ask yourself is once you're creating the avatar, right, those instant empathy map with a human being, right, of course, you have to ask yourself, are they married or single? Do they have kids? Are they conservative, liberal? What do they hate? What do they love? Then you can ask yourself, as you can see here right now on my screen, what books do they read, right? What magazines they're reading? That way you can know who to target, what kind of language to use, right? You have to meet them where they're at right now, right? And also what TV shows they watch, like Fox News, CNN, whatever, right? What kind of news channels they're following. All this can help you to basically create the image of the person that you're trying to persuade, influence, market to, right? So those are all really important steps. Now you may say to yourself, wait, I don't have that much time, right? I cannot do that. Like, I don't know where to even start. I'm confused, right? I hear you. I've been there personally, right? So what I'm doing when I'm help here, there are some people, is that I'm giving them those things, right? I'm giving them the research tools. I'm also giving them exact templates that they can use, right, to find out who are their markets, what are their surface and deep desires. I'm also giving them targeting details. Why? So they don't have to waste time and money testing and split testing different ads, different landing pages, right? It can cost a lot of money. You can throw up $1,000 very easy, or $500 in a day very easy, spending or testing, like split testing, headlines, lenders, like you need a lot of money for that. So it's really great to understand, right, that you have someone who can actually guide you, right, who can show you the way. So it's really, really great to remember this right now. So another thing that you can also see over here is what is the surface desire of your market, right? You can write down this, you can copy and paste this, you can write down, right, as you're watching me right now, you can write down this question: what is the surface desire of your market, of my market, right? And answer this for your prospect below. If I could just, then what, right? If I could just lose 5 pounds of weight in 30 days, then what would happen? What would be the end result? Or if I could just make $5,000 a month, then what, right? Those are the things that you have to understand. Write down. Those are called empathy map or instant empathy that can help you to understand your market more better, because we are not targeting bots, right? We are not talking personally one-on-one with people, but still we are communicating using ad copy, headlines, pre-sale pages, symbols and images. So all those things on your pre-sale page are really important. If you can structure it well enough, the pre-sale page can become your soldier, the soldier that will sell 24/7 for you without ever showing your face, right? So those things are really important. Now you may be looking at this video, watching me right now and thinking to yourself, okay, so how do I start? Like, how can I make this profitable? Is there someone to help me, right? Because I'm sure that in the past, right, maybe you have bought any other courses, maybe you have bought other programs, maybe at some time, right, someone has let you down, some people have let you down, right, in the past. So as you're watching this video right now, you maybe begin to understand that, okay, I want to have results, I want to get set today, I want to make few changes, right? So where to begin? Now that's a good question, because lots of people who are getting started are asking themselves this question. And now as you're watching this video, you will begin to realize that, hey, if I put attention into it, if I have some serious investment, and if I have someone to guide me through step by step by showing me the ropes, right, it's much more easier. I don't know if you agree with me, but for me it's much more easier to have someone one-on-one personally showing me what to do, where to click, why this works, right? Because as you know, most people don't have time to sit through 8 weeks long course watching videos, right? It's better to get it done for you and done with you. This is why you have a chance right now as you're watching this video, right? And I know most of you are really, really smart people watching this video. So to make a smart decision, right? Because if you get a help with me personally, then we can together work out something, right? So if you have any interest whatsoever to start affiliate marketing, to start having the right pre-sale page, the right website, right, and then the right message, right, that will connect with your market, then of course it's much more easier for you now to start to get started, and now also start generating results, right? So this is it for this video. I hope it makes some sense, and you have the option right now. You can message me under this video, right? Below this video are links to my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and things like that, right? Where you can reach out to me personally if you're ready to start generating results online, right? There is some serious investment involved, right? But as you know, if you want to have something, you have to put some kind of time or energy investment. It's always based on that, right? So if you want to have personal help done for you, affiliate website with done for you ad copies, also given to you 20 or 30 different interests, different targeting details that are proven to work, then let me know, right? Connect with me below this video, and if you have any more questions, you're more than welcome to ask. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe now to this channel.